up YouTube, it's Brody, and today I'm shooting my L96 ZM52 Airsoft sniper rifle. I really highly recommend this for all you beginner snipers out there. And today I'm shooting it at this can right here. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. Load this real quick. Here we go. First shot. Here goes the second shot. Right now I'm going to show you how powerful this is. Maybe it won't, or maybe it will, because we're at a different can we were shooting at, but it could go through the bottom of it. So yeah, let's try this out real quick. Nope, it's not coming through this can for some reason. Leaves a pretty big dent, and see you later, YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to have more videos. See ya.